It is half cooked, so now we can add in the veggies. Beans take longer than any other veggies, so should add the beans first, then the veggies. It's about 1 cup. For 1 cup of rice, I use 1 cup of veggies. I'm making only chili chicken to go with the rice today. That's why I'm adding lots of veggies today. It won't be too plain. Okay, let's wait till the beans is cooked. Also adding soy sauce. So for 1 cup of rice, you can add about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Just making for 1 person today, so I'm not going to add the full cooked rice. Probably use about 1/4 cup of rice for this 1 person. It's ready to mix in the rice. So it's about 1 cup of cooked rice. Let's mix well so the soy sauce change the color of the rice. We need a brown color to this rice. We don't want to see any white. So let's mix well. We are ready with the I turned off the I need to mix more. Meanwhile, I'm going to get ready with my chili chicken. For that, I'm adding the oil first, using canola oil. And I do have the chicken ready. I use half of the chicken breast. It's for 1 person only, so I added crushed ginger, garlic, and 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder to give it a little flavor. I usually don't add the salt to my chicken because we use the soy sauce for at the end, right? So that's why I don't use salt, but I use salt to wash my chicken to take away the gooiness. I'm going to use green pepper and garlic only for my chili chicken today. And for the chicken, I also using just a drop of balsamic vinegar, and that will give a punch. Then just add in about 2-3 tablespoons all-purpose flour to coat it. Let's check on the oil. Should be nicely hot, otherwise it's going to get stuck in the bottom. To come up. So place it nicely. This is how it looks. And I added the all-purpose flour. So individually add in. Don't just throw it in. Carefully. Hurt yourself. Make sure your pan is not wet so it doesn't splatter. When the pan is nicely dry, then you add the oil, right? On the other side, I'm getting ready with my chili chicken. In a pan, I added again the sesame seed oil. Remember that oil to give that exact flavor. When this is a little brown, then we can add in the green peppers. Remember to stir this in. Don't want this to get stuck. You're looking for a nice light brown. texture. My garlic is heating up. I also added 2 red dried chilies. I break into 5 or 6 pieces. When it browns a bit, you don't want to burn the chilies, right? It's going to go into your throat right away. You don't want this. You don't want it to be too strong. Just add in the green peppers right away before it browns or black. Watch out for the chilies, okay? Make sure you don't burn the chilies. What brings the taste to any cooking is always keep it in medium flame, not too high. Have to be very patient when it comes to cooking, okay? So it's an art. You have to really enjoy it and do it. Add in the peppers. At this point, I'm going to turn off the flame and wait for the chicken now. My chicken is already. This is one batch. I have one more batch or 2 more batches to fry. When it's ready, we can just add it right away. Add in the pan with the peppers we are frying. So I'm going to add in about 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Remember, my flame is off right now. Whatever the heat right now in the stove is just getting cooked. Since we didn't add any salt to the chicken, we can add maybe 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Today I'm also going to add honey. Using this honey about 1 tablespoon, so it gives a nice punch. The saltness from soy sauce and the heat from the chilies, the red dried chilies, and the sweet from the honey, and it makes it so perfect for my fried rice. The chicken is ready, so I'm going to take it out and directly put it into my other pan. I'm making chili chicken. I'm showing you how to be economic. You don't need a paper towel under another dish, leaving it there. You know, so much of washing. Washing takes more than the cooking time. I remember that. So that's why I'm just directly showing a practical way for you. This is what I do. Just put them in here. I pretty much do chili chicken every day for my daughter. My daughter is 23, still with me, and she enjoys my cooking. She says I'll make a good personal chef. That's how she compliments me. And she gives me ideas. Okay, she's like, oh, this is good, this is not good, don't do that. So then I get my tips from my daughter. Okay, I have only 2 batches of chicken to do today, not 3, which is good. So let's wait till this is brown, and that's it. And when the chicken is ready, we can turn on the flame and give it a boil. So let's wait for the chicken, guys. My chicken is done, so I'm just turn on the flame now. I'm going to give it a boil. You can taste now the salt. If you need more salt, add soy sauce, and you can add in black pepper. If you want more gravy, instead of honey, you can use ketchup also. That's also a way, and that gives a beautiful color as well, the ketchup. Today I'm using honey. And also you can add in cornstarch, about 2-3 tablespoons, to give it a gravy, but I'm not doing that as well today. guys. I'm just waiting for this to boil and we are good to go. Okay, it's sizzling. Okay, that's it guys. That's my chili chicken. So now we can turn off the flame and cover it. And my fried rice, I dished it out already. So I'll catch you up guys with another interesting recipe. Bye for now.